Of all the toys in Toys R Us, this is what gets your attention right here. The Grow With Me play table. Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway. Yeah? Is that Kid with the Sheds? You got a girl engine?
You did the girl engine and I did the boy engine. No, dual. Joe did dual engines. It's to do on different steps this way. And also to go this way, the doing their sets.
So it's the train table that has got their attention. They got the high-pitched voice going, which means they're coming up with scenarios. You generally don't want to interrupt them when they have the high voices going on because that means they're going to play well together. Oh, load up coal. Alright, let me help you. Oh, you got it. Good job. Oh, who's that? Is that Percy? What's Percy doing? Oh, he derailed somebody. Is that James?
He's taking some water so he did more steam to move.
He's up high. James is getting water.
And this engine is pushing them up to
What do you like best about this train table?
Say that's the whole thing.
What's best?
This.
Oh,
But
the
there's
turntable.
more Thomas things over there.
There's Thomas things all around us. Wow. Oh, that one's still broken. That one was broken a year and a half ago. And we're back to the train table.